how to set up payroll preferences and tax. In this session, we'll explore the payroll and tax settings for your center. Begin by opening the Setup module and selecting the appropriate center. Then navigate to Custom and click on Payroll and Tax. Within this section, you have various customization options. Start with Payroll Preferences. Here, you can choose to round payroll hours to the nearest 5, 10, or 15 minutes, based on your preference. Remember to click Save after updating each setting. You can then decide how you'd like to handle overtime, either by banking it or paying it out. Your choice will impact your payroll reports and how overtime is calculated. If you opt to pay it out, you can specify your averaging period. You'll find helpful question mark icons for guidance on each setting. The averaging period means overtime is calculated over the specified span rather than weekly. For instance, inputting 4 weeks means overtime is assessed over that entire duration. If no period is specified, overtime defaults to a weekly calculation. Next, select your province or state to establish the calculation strategy. We'll use Alberta as an example. You also have the option to customize the configuration. Selecting a province or state applies default rules for that location. In Alberta, for example, daily overtime kicks in after 8 hours, while weekly overtime starts after 44 hours. Entering a 4-week averaging period means the 44-hour threshold applies over that time frame as detailed here. To further customize, click Customize. Now, let's discuss holiday hours. Do you want the system to calculate hours for statutory holiday pay, common in Canada? If so, toggle the option on. This reveals more options, starting with the holiday pay calculation strategy. To simplify, you can select your province or customize your settings. Choosing Alberta's strategy will display the relevant rules here. Each rule is clearly explained with a question mark icon. For example, Alberta follows the 5 of 9 rule, considering days worked over the past 9 weeks, with a minimum of 30 days of employment required. Next, list which holidays count as paid ones based on your center's policies. Public holidays are preloaded by default. You'll need to update this annually with the next year's holidays, adjusting as needed. If a holiday like Boxing Day isn't observed, it can be toggled off. You can also add new ones. For instance, if you offer New Year's Eve as a paid holiday, select the date, add a description if desired, and it will be added as a custom holiday. The calendar will preview your center's holidays. For the upcoming year, load the public holidays or add your custom ones by clicking Add Holiday. Toggle off any holidays you don't plan to observe and ensure you press Save. Finally, from this tab, you can also configure the signature that will append to the parent's tax receipts. Upload a signature image with a white or transparent background of your company's authorized signer. This signature will automatically appear on tax receipts downloaded by parents, meeting IRS and CRA standards.